Well, we just finished Dealmakers, and this is where we held it, which is a little Airbnb in Villa Pameras. And what I did was I posted certain pictures around. So for instance, this is what it looked like outside when I bought the place. And now we have, this is what it looked like when we came in the front door. And now it looks like this. So here's the living room. Over here, this is a little nook. This is what it looked like before. And in the ceiling, which we now have a nice light fixture, that's what it looked like when I got it. Over here, we got a kitchen with a washer and dryer, a stove, and some dishes. And this is what it looked like before. We took out that entire cabinet and put in new IKEA cabinets. And then there's just a little refrigerator and microwave, new light fixtures. All right, so in the living room, I like to use vibrant colors so it pops on Airbnb. That piece of art is actually a shower curtain that I put on a 1-inch frame. I buy the wood at Home Depot and staple it together. You can find all kinds of YouTube videos about how to make shower curtain art. I've done quite a few of them. So this is the hallway, the bathroom. This is what it looked like before. There it is. This room with the more shower curtain art. This is what it looked like before. You can see the ceiling was very badly peeling. The walls were peeling. Had this interesting sort of rainbow color going on. I chose a really electric, vibrant lime color. In the hallway, we've got some nice art. And then the master bedroom, queen bed. Still gonna paint that mirror. In this room, I decided to do a little diagonal wall just to add some visual interest. This is what it looked like before. There's a lot of peeling paint. We are going to keep and redo this, this cabinet for the closet. And as you walk this way, you can see what it looked like before, after. Before, after. So yeah, so that's the place. Just finished Dealmakers. I'm not quite ready to take on guests, but I do have it listed on Airbnb, and we will soon have the outside painted, have the screens up, and a few more painting touches and odds and ends. And yeah, so go get a deal, go find deals, and keep in touch.